HMD Global to establish its own HMD smartphone brand. HMD Global has been launching smartphones under the Nokia brand for the past 6 years. The Nokia-owned Finnish company has now shared its plans to expand its portfolio and introduce phones under its own HMD brand. The announcement comes from Jean-François Baril, County founder, chairman and CEO of HMD Global. The executive revealed on his LinkedIn page both HMD and Nokia phones will coexist, and customers should expect a collaboration, with exciting new partners, as well. In a lengthy post, Baril stated that HMD Global is the fastest growing 5G smartphone manufacturer year on year, and a leader in sustainability with the repairable Nokia devices that have been launched in the past 12 months. The company is now ready to enter the market independently to create a new world for telecommunications focused on consumer needs. HMD prides itself on being one of the largest smartphone companies in Europe, and will soon start delivering high-quality, affordable mobile devices to consumers globally. The announcement had no details with an actual timeline, but we expect to hear more about it in the following weeks.